Step aside boring classes. Pro is the ultimate solution for dynamic, engaging, and active learning. It includes everything in the starter plan, plus all the polling types an educator needs to engage, inspire, and understand knowledge levels. From icebreaker word clouds to detailed image-based questions, latex support, and an AI assistant to help you create and input multiple choice questions and explanations. Pro is the ultimate teaching assistant. Q&A gets a major upgrade from the basics of the starter plan. Make announcements, moderate questions, categorize them, and cherry pick the ones that matter the most to your students. And guess what? You can even share the controls with a colleague or respond directly within the system. Need feedback ASAP or want to test knowledge asynchronously? Self-paced surveys with real-time results are at your service. Use gamified quizzes and leaderboards to captivate learners and boost retention. Learning has never been this fun or easy. But that's not all. With seamless integrations into the tools you already use and detailed reports, elevating your presentations has never been simpler. PowerPoint, Microsoft Teams, Excel, Canvas, Moodle, Blackboard, we've got you covered. Rated #1 in the world for ease of use and support. What are you waiting for? Get tooled up to provide unmissable classes. Upgrade to Pro today.